So we are in matrices chapter, and today topic is transpose of matrix. So consider a matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So its transpose, if it is represented as A, so its transpose will be represented as AT. And there what we'll do, row will convert it to column and column will be converted to row. So it will be 1, 2, 3. This row has become column and this will be written as 4, 5 and 6. So we are interchanging the order. Row becomes column, column becomes row. Next topic is equality of matrix. So consider A is a matrix. Its members are 2, 1, 0, 5, 2, 7, and B members are 2, 5, 1, 2, 0, 7. So see, in both cases number of rows are 2 and number of column are 3. Number of row is 2 and number of column is 3. So their order is same. Order is same. And second, all the elements, all the members are same. Elements are same. So what we'll say? We'll say matrix A is equal to matrix B, if all members are same and order is same. Now we'll learn how to solve the sums of matrices. So first type of sum is like this, given this one is equal to this one. So this is case of equal matrix. So what will happen? This element will be equal to this one, this element will be equal to this one, this element will be equal to this one, and this element will be equal to this one. So x is equal to 3. Your answer has come. Y plus 2 will be equal to 1. It will give you y is equal to 1 minus 2. It implies that y will come out as minus 1. And z minus 1 is equal to 2. It implies that z is equal to 2 plus 1, or z will come out as 3. Hence your answer will be x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1, and z is equal to 3. Second type of sum is addition of matrix. So addition of matrix is possible only when their order is same. So its order is 2 into 2 and its order is also 2 into 2. So when A plus B is added, so it will be addition of 2, 1, 5, 7 with minus 1, 0 and 5, 7. So next step what it will be? It will be addition of 2 plus minus 1 means 2 minus 1, 5 plus 5, 1 plus 0, and finally 7 plus 7. So your result will come out as 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 5 plus 5 is 10, and 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. This will be your answer. Third type of sum is subtraction of matrix. Same A, same B. Now we have to do subtraction. Order should be same. So A minus B will be 2, 1, 5, 7 minus 1, 0 and 5, 7. So when we do a subtraction, sign changes. So it is 2 minus minus 1 will become plus 1, 1 minus 0, 5 minus 5 and 7 minus 7. So your result will come out 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 minus 0 is 1, 5 minus 5 is 0 and 7 minus 7, that is equal to 0. This will be your answer. Keep in mind, while we are adding the matrices A plus B and we are adding matrices B plus A, result will come out as the same. So addition of matrices is commutative. Similarly, A plus B plus C will be same as A plus B plus C. So it is associative. but at the same moment A minus B cannot be equal to B minus A. Now we'll learn addition of matrix and its transpose. So we have to find out A plus AT, or we have to find out B plus BT. So at first A will be written 2 1 3 7 5 0, and if we are adding transpose of A, so order is changed, column will become row, row will become column, so it will be 2 3 5 and it will be 1 7 and 0. Since order is not same, hence addition is not possible. Whereas if we are writing B plus BT, we have to find out, so we'll write 3 2 5 7 plus BT will be equal to how much? Column will become row and row will become column, so it will be 3 5 and 2 7. So since order here and order here is same, so next step we will proceed, we will get the result. It will be 3 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 2 plus 5 and 7 plus 7. So your result will come out as 6, 7, 7 and 14. This will be your answer. So sometimes addition of matrix with its transpose is possible when order will remain the same, but if order is not remaining the same, then it is not possible. Now see, this is a matrix of order 2 into 3 and this is matrix of order 2 into 2. This is null matrix, and when we'll add a matrix with null matrix, result will come out the same. It will be simply 2 plus 0, 2, 3, 5 and 7. So result remain unaltered. Similarly, if this is added, so result will be again come out as 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. So addition of null matrix to any matrix does not change the result. Hence we say that null matrix is additive identity of a matrix.